Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to fill out grant applications. That's right, with the power of AI, you'll never need a grant writer again. Say goodbye to expensive fees and hello to a simpler process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to apply for grants, get that free money, and secure it in record time. So, let's dive in. But before we get started, let me introduce you to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an incredible AI-powered chatbot that can assist you with a wide range of tasks. From making a grocery list to creating a complex website for your business, ChatGPT is here to help. And when it comes to grants, think of ChatGPT as your trusty companion, guiding you through every step of the process. It's like having a knowledgeable friend by your side who can answer all your questions. And don't worry, ChatGPT will never leave you hanging. So, let's see how it works. To access ChatGPT, simply go to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, create an account by entering your email and password. After verifying your email, you're all set to go. Now, let's jump into ChatGPT and start filling out our grant application. The first question we need to answer is whether we're eligible for the grant. Let's take a look at the requirements for the Inkfile Small Business Grant. I'll copy and paste them into ChatGPT and ask if we qualify. I want ChatGPT to respond as if it's an expert grant writer. Here's the question. Do you think ChatGPT is going to say yes or no? And now we wait for ChatGPT's response. According to ChatGPT, based on the requirements we provided, it appears that we are not eligible for this particular grant. The grant requires applicants to be 21 years or older, which unfortunately, we don't meet. However, ChatGPT encourages us to continue pursuing our entrepreneurial dreams and explore other funding opportunities. They suggest seeking support from local resources like business incubators or accelerators, which can provide guidance, mentorship, and resources to help grow our business. Now, let's move on to the second case. ChatGPT can help us fill out the grant application itself. To do that, we need to ask ChatGPT the specific questions from the application. Here's the first question. What inspires you to become an entrepreneur? Remember, the answers should be between 100 to 250 words. I'll copy and paste this question into ChatGPT, and this time, I want a friendly and energetic tone with an informative writing style. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Great! ChatGPT has provided a wonderful response that showcases the motivation and passion behind becoming an entrepreneur. The answer is well within the word count limit and captures the desired tone. I'll copy and paste this into the grant application question and move on to the next one. The next question is, what do you think is the difference between a business that succeeds and a business that fails? I'll copy this question and ask ChatGPT or Bing.com to answer it. But this time, I want a motivational and inspiring tone with a descriptive writing style. Let's see how ChatGPT tackles this one. Wow! That's a fantastic response. It highlights the key factors that contribute to the success of a